What's up, you guys? Okay, this is actually my first time ever doing all things Adrienne in my all new home, and I'm very excited about it. And we are gonna be talking about all the things that I have been carrying in and out of this house because, baby, we are still in boxes. This is how I've been living, and I'm about to show you guys the essential things that I've been carrying back and forth from my sister's house, my mom's house, oh, and LA too. These are all the things that are in my bags. Thank you to Ritual for sponsoring this video. First of all, we are gonna start with the essentials. You guys, do not judge me. Your girl is pulling her life together, okay, on the East Coast, and it's been a bit of a struggle. Okay, so I've got handy dandy essentials, and here are the must-haves. Literally, I have taken this bag with me from LA to Houston to New Orleans to Nashville to Atlanta to Texas and back here in New York. So this bag has been with me everywhere, and if it's the only thing that I have, it's the only thing I need. We have my medicine. Then second to that is, of course, my vitamins. Ritual, which you already know that I'm obsessed with, and these are a must-have for life purposes. Iz has been seeing me take these every single day, and I'm not gonna front, he's now interested in trying out the men's vitamins. There's also a 50 plus, there is prenatal, postnatal, and even teen vitamins as well. So if you are a teenager and you have a dusty home, seriously, it's really important to actually get started sooner in life. I don't know about you, but it was around probably when I was in my mid-teens that I started really wanting to take care of my body and being more conscious of my health. So you guys know that I try to keep a vegan plant-based diet. These are vegan friendly. They are also gluten-free, non-GMO, sugar-free, and allergen-free, which is super awesome because I'm always kind of nervous about everything that goes into my body. I wanna make sure that I'm putting only the best in here. Not only are these cute little pills transparent, but I love that Ritual is super transparent about where all the ingredients are sourced from that are in these little babies. Not only is the packaging super cute, you guys know that I'm obsessed with it. Come on, how cute is that? But it's actually made of completely recycled materials, which I absolutely love. Eco-friendly, baby. And for some of us that are forgetful, the awesome thing is that this is subscription-based, which I love because literally you're paying $1 a day for 9 high-quality nutrients that your body needs, and literally it comes to your door every single month. Boom. So your girl is hooking you up with 10% off of your first 3 months of Ritual. All you have to do is click the link in the description and use my code ATA. So as we move right along, I'm not gonna front, I realize I have really weird things inside of this little bag. Okay, so obviously vitamins, like I said, medicine. Guys, why do I have 2? Okay, so I know what the plan is. One was actually supposed to stay on the tour bus in the medicine cabinet, and I brought both of them with me. So that was a major fail. I've got a lot of hair ties in here. Okay, so I've got a slip scrunchie, which I absolutely love these. This one is tie-dyed pink. This is, okay. The 90s are back, people. We just need to accept that. Some of us lived through it. We're a little confused why it's back so soon, but I'm here for it. I'm even missing one tooth there. This is real life, okay? This is also for hair. Fun fact, you guys, I not only use the Byretto 11th Hour perfume, they also have hair perfume, and you're actually supposed to layer your scents. Layers. Mariah?
Layers!
Say I love.
I love layers!
Layer your fragrance, people. It is key to making it last all day. You wanna start with the body wash, follow with the body lotion, hit that hair one good time. Yes, and then put the perfume on. Layers. We love layers. Family joke. What else do oh, this is the top to it. I thought I had lost it. Very happy to find out I didn't. Okay, so there's this. I have in here, you already know. You guys know that I have super sensitive skin, so I always use Ultra Facial Moisturizer Kiehl's. It's pretty basic, but I absolutely love it. And to be honest with you, I put a bunch of other people onto it, and you guys love it too. So this is a must-have in my bag. A mask. Fun fact, I went and visited Graceland. Maybe we'll put some BTS in here to show you that I was up in Elvis's mansion and it was phenomenal and I loved it, so I had to get a mask to commemorate the moment. Graceland. I use contacts, dailies. They float around in my bag. My husband has them in his backpack. Lana carries them, hair and makeup. Always carry contacts for me, extra contacts. It's just necessary. They're in glove compartments of cars. This is an essential. If you are blind like me, and it's official, you guys, my prescription is -4.75. Comment below if you know what that means. Okay, what else is in here? I got eyelash extensions a few weeks ago. It was my first time in a very long time. I was very excited, so I got all the fancy schmancy things that went with it. They had a special mascara I could buy. It's in my makeup bag. And then they also gave me this very fancy option. So here we are. I don't know why it had different color options. I went for gold, naturally. Next thing, like I said, we layer our fragrances. This is the perfume. I then had a toothbrush somewhere in here. Is my toothbrush in this bag? Maybe Iz has my toothbrush in his bag? Yo, this is about to get real interesting. Okay, this is toothpaste, people. Why I have this huge one and not a travel size, it's necessary. We have random flossers that are just hanging loose in the bag. I'm sure that at some point they were in a Ziploc. If you have been watching ATA since the beginning, you know that I have some form of OCD. Like I need things lined up, I need things super organized. How I have been surviving like this, nobody knows. There are days when I just start to cry when I look at my bags because I don't know where anything is. Babe, how long have we lived out of random bags?
Since September of last year.
How often do I cry about it?
4, maybe 5 times a day.
That was an exaggeration. I thought he was gonna say 4 times or 5 times a week, and I was gonna agree with that. I hope you guys understand how excited we are also to just have all of our things in one place as I hold up random loose flossers. Disgusting. Okay, this is necessary. Your girl Jeannie Mai put me on initially and I've become addicted. I know that I used to use these random ones and I still keep them around just because I'm very specific about my dental hygiene. So this is like a scrubber and this is a scraper. So scrub and scrape and scrub the tongue. Very important. Tongue health, necessary. I also heard that by scraping your tongue in the morning, it is actually also a form of detox. So that's what I'd be doing. That's all that's in this bag. I can't believe I just said that's all. That was a lot of crap. I have my makeup bag. Now, Israel pretty much told me that I am not allowed to, when we're just having like personal trips, I am not allowed to bring that huge case of makeup. This actually is the downsized version of my makeup bag. And it's see-through. You know why? Because your girl needs to find things like this. Does anybody else do that? Comment below if you have a see-through toiletry bag or a see-through makeup bag, and if you find it so convenient that if you're looking for something, you can just do this. And I swear whatever you're looking for is usually down here somewhere. A shower cap. Why? Because it's just necessary. And it's a cute one. Shower cap, must have. Then we've got tons of makeup. And over here is all my brushes. So, guys, I literally just got off the tour bus this morning. Bear with me. Brushes are in here. Oh, I was looking for this when I was doing my makeup. Needed that. Okay, so these are brushes, guys. So this is just like, hi, Adrienne wants to be so fresh and so clean and not hideous. Then in this bag, randomly, this is not my fault. This is, so I've got one shoe here. Oh no, we did. Babe, you did find them. And 2 golds. What is this? What is this? You put these random shoes in here? He thought I might need some shoes today, so he randomly just threw all these things inside of this amazing bag. This is actually really funny and really essential because this bag was packed for me by Lana. I literally go from house to house with this bag because I never know when I'll need to approve new fabrics or choose new fabrics for new designs that we have. Your girl has every kind of fabric you could ever imagine. Literally from different yarns to furry fabrics. We got options, okay? So, I know you're taking a picture. So I literally travel with these everywhere. Somehow they're always in Israel's trunk because randomly Lana might be like, okay, so what are your thoughts on this color or this colorway? And I will literally just randomly pull out one of these and we've got options. We got a whole new collection coming out with knits. All the colors are in here. Graceland, what else did I buy at Graceland? More face masks. I am fully vaccinated, but I still wear a face mask in public. I don't know, it just makes me feel better. We bought Israel some really cute guitar picks that have Elvis's face on them. We didn't know that we were big Elvis fans. We ended up parking our tour bus across the street from Graceland and we just looked at each other and we're like, do you guys wanna go and see what it's about? And it was pretty awesome. Did you guys love it?
Yes. Experience of my life.
Welcome to Elvis Presley's Graceland. This is the map. Come on, guys. That's amazing. There's a whole map. Other than Chateau Houghton, if I had like tons of land and a bigger estate, something I'm working towards, what should my estate be called? Prince has Paisley Park, Elvis has Graceland, Britney Spears has Serenity in Louisiana, Michael Jackson had Neverland, Dolly Parton has Dollywood. Go for it. What would I name my estate? Comment below. I'm so curious to hear what you guys would say. Okay, so let me gather my belongings in more small bags to put in other bags with other bags. Then we've got more shoes. Wore this on Instagram while in New Orleans. It was a cute moment. Little aqua dress. Oh, pre-cut boob tape. That's what this is. Lana pre-cut some tape for me, just in case I needed it. We didn't need it, just in case. We've got a pair of jeans. Jeans are a necessity. Fun fact, you guys, we've been on the road. Today's my first day in the house, and we literally got off the tour bus in the morning. We had actually been on the road for almost 2 weeks. So these are my bags from just like being on the bus. A purse. What's inside of it? See, what's the bag that's inside of the bag that's inside of the bag? Oh. Hair. Clip-ins. Fantastic. All right, we're gonna just air those out. Literally, really, really expensive jewelry. My other Cartier bracelet is in this bag randomly. What is this? What is this? Oh, got my makeup done by a makeup artist and I actually thought this was so freaking cute. She gave me lip gloss in this little tube and I thought that this was genius because if you ever have a lipstick or a lip gloss and it's too big to go in your purse, we obviously know that purses are getting smaller and smaller by the minute, including Lavoot. We just did the cutest mini purses. And this is literally about all you can fit inside of there. So I asked her where she got these from, and you can actually just order these on Amazon. You kind of just can scoop out whatever the lipstick is or the lip gloss, and voila, a little mini travel version for your little mini purse. A bathing suit, a random t-shirt, that other shoe. Oh, hair wanders. When you're on a tour bus, you're not gonna have a huge roller suitcase with you up top. So I usually just have smaller bags that I can put in different compartments. There's literally little cubby. Hi, Israel. I didn't know you were up there. Okay, there's little cubby holes on the tour bus, like literally above our bed, there's cubby holes where I can put a duffel bag, a toiletry bag. So that's like way easier. There's also a small closet. But again, I'm not gonna bring my huge roller suitcase onto the living space of our tour bus. All that kind of stuff stays below so that when we get off the bus to go into a hotel, we just pull it out, Bellman, bedroom. Want to hear a fun fact? All of these things were actually in this one bag. And throughout the journey, somehow they all left. This is the smaller, this is my baby flat iron for my baby hairs, to lay down the little hairs. And I've got bobby pins and a hair clip. But actually all of this, legit, was all in here. How it, do you see that I'm overwhelmed by the bags? This is the end of an era because I will no longer live out of bags. I'm super excited about getting ridiculously organized, getting all my toiletries in my bathroom. Again, currently my bathroom is under renovation, so the master bath is being completely renovated. So now I've been moving from different bedrooms as well. That's a whole other thing. So it's obviously just easier to grab a whole bag of your toiletries and move from room to room, or a whole bag of your makeup, because at some point I would love to just have like everything laid out and beautiful and on display. But until then, bags. More tape, hairspray. Okay, tell me if you guys have ever heard of the slang word motetes or not mototos. I could totally be making this up, but I swear that my mom says that I'm always carrying around some motetes. Comment below if you know what that means. Please provide me with the definition. Until we meet again, I promise you guys you will not see me surrounded by bags. I will be super organized and I cannot wait for it. I love you guys. Thanks again to Ritual for sponsoring this video. See you next week. Mwah. And don't forget to hit the notification button up top so that you never miss an episode of All Things Adrienne. Peace.